Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to create a design for different social media platforms? That is the same design, but you have to do it for different social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and so on and so forth. You need to just do the same design across all social media platforms. It can be very tasking if you have to do that over and over. That's one after the other. Guess what? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create one design and it's going to spread across other social media platforms that you want it to appear on. Maybe you are designing for Instagram and then it's going to automatically appear for Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and all the rest of them. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, let's dive in. So if you come to canva.com, what you should do is to click on social media. You click on quick create collection. Here you have Instagram posts, your story, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, Twitter posts, Pinterest pin, email header, and LinkedIn. So all you have to do is to just go ahead and select the ones that you want. So let's say I want Instagram post, I want story, I want Facebook posts, I want Facebook cover, I want Twitter posts, I want maybe LinkedIn posts, right? Let's just keep it at this. So that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that makes it 6 designs that we're going to do automatically. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on continue, and it's going to give us this, the main text and the additional text. So for the main text, you can use anything depending on what you want to create for. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and write 7-Figure Boss Academy. So once you write down your main text, you can see that it will appear on all the designs available. All this design, you see that it will appear here. So now that we have the main text, let's go ahead and do the additional text. So for additional text, I'm going to go ahead and write earn 7 figures through digital skills. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, and as you can see, the earn 7 figures through digital skills has appeared all these places. So you're going to select image or logo that you want for the design. So for the purpose of this training, let me just go ahead and use this image here. So now we have an image. We're going to go ahead and click on continue, and we're here. So on continue, you have categories. You have fun, organic, simple, modern, elegant, and geometric. You can choose any one that you want. You choose any of these templates. The best suits your brand. Just look at the design, how it appears, and see the one that best fits your brand. So I'm going to choose this one right here and then click on continue. So now I have the designs that I've chosen, and then the next thing that I need to do is to select the colors, right? So if you have your brand color, you can decide to choose your brand color here, or you can choose any one that you want at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around the brand colors that are here so that I'll see the one that best fits here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Then if you select any of the color and you don't like how it is, you can shuffle it. You can shuffle till you get something that you like. You can just shuffle the colors. Yeah, I think this is much better. So now we have our designs across multiple platforms. So this is for Instagram posts, this is for your Instagram story, and then this is for Facebook, and then this is for Facebook cover, and then this is for Twitter posts, and this is for LinkedIn. How cool is that? This is so amazing. And all you have to do is to click on finish, and your designs will be saved. It's that easy. Canva has made it so easy for us to have a stress-free life thanks to AI. So now you can click on download, or you can see my collection. So for anyone that you want, so we're going to click on download, and it's going to go ahead and download the designs, and you have your designs ready to go live on each of the platforms that you want to upload it on. See my collection is going to open up and then show you the collection. So this is the collection. Amazing, right? And then it has fully downloaded now. All we have to do is to click on show. It's in zip folder. So the next thing you need to do is to click on extract all, and click on extract, and it's going to extract the content. So here it is. So this is the design. Amazing. So we have the same design across all the social media platforms that we selected. Amazing, right? Now, if you want to learn more amazing digital skills that is going to help you make money online, then I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn amazing digital skills that is going to up the game for you. Trust me, you're going to love it. I recommend that you go watch it right now. I am 7 Figure Boss, and see you on the other side, and thanks for watching.